Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are here in Goa. Right now we are in PANJIM city, and as you can see behind me are the casinos. So in this video I'm going to be talking if the casinos are open as of now, which is in September, and when are they going to open. So right now the casinos are completely shut and none of the casinos are open, and most probably according to the staff that I've met of casinos, they are most probably going to be opening up in October. But what we are going to do now is we are going to go to their offices over here in PANJIM city and see if they are open or if they put any notices or anything. So anyway, so we are going to go to their offices and see if the casinos are opening soon. But most probably by the government's notices, they are saying that they are going to open around the first week of October. So fingers crossed, hopefully they will open. But let's just go around and see. We'll just look at the casinos and see what they are like now. If you've seen the casinos before, full of lights and everything, you know the difference, guys. And also, if you have any questions right now about Goa or anything, feel free to message me and I'll be more than happy to help you with any of your questions or how to travel here, what's open, anything you have, anything in mind. Definitely comment below. I'll be happy to help you. So let's just look at the casinos and see if anything is open right now. This is the Casino Pride over here. Over there you have the Deltin Casino, which is the other boat over there, and over there in the distance we have another one. So this is right now in Goa, and as you can see the weather has cleared up. Goa is completely beautiful. There's no more rains anymore. And the behind this one is the Deltin Royal, which is the biggest one in this and one of the most expensive ones. So guys, let's go ahead and see their offices and see if they are open right now. So guys, we are at the first casino, which is Deltin Royal, and as you can see the casino is closed. So we are going to head on to the next one. So this is the casino street over here with all the casinos in Goa. So we're going to head on to Big Daddy, which is over there, and let's check out if Big Daddy is open or what notices they've put. So guys, we are at the next one, which is Casino Pride, which is usually full of people. As you can see, it is completely shut and they've not put any notice as of yet. So as I said, we'll go to the casino, Big Daddy Casino, and check out that one. So guys, at the moment we are at the Big Daddy Casino, and as you can see, even this thing is shut over here, but they have a notice on the door. So over here we'll see that over here they have no more bets written over here. It was supposed to start on 31st of March, but let us see what their notice says over here. So this is the notice that they put in, but as you can see the notice is for 14th of March onwards. So let's see. Guys, good sight over here from the Big Daddy Casino. So the boat is, as you can see, this is one of the boats of the Big Daddy Casino. So they have staff going back for maintenance over here for the boat. So hopefully they will start soon. So we'll just check the last one, which is Deltin Jack over there, and see if that one's open yet. So guys, we're at the Deltin Jack, and a very promising site over here is, as you can see, the maintenance is started over here. They are renovating, so if they're renovating, it should be opening soon. Over here you have Casino Pride, and over here you have the Deltin Jack, which is the last one. And over here the streets are seeming back to normal, guys. So guys, that's it from here in the casinos, and I just spoke to a few staff and they said tentatively it's going to open in October, and hopefully they're hoping to have it by October, and the staff have started returning to the casinos. So hopefully October should be it. If not, I will put all the updates the day the casino opens. I will put all the updates and I will come here and film another video of when the casino opens. So please do subscribe to my channel for all the latest updates on Goa, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe.